Morning students, today we are going to start the reading of lesson 2 of English Reader, and the name of the chapter is A Crash. Okay, and in this chapter there is a strange creature, alien. Do you know what is alien? Alien is a creature who lived in the outer space, or we can say on another planet. The creature which come from another planet are called alien. There is a picture. This is just an imagination, and you have to draw your own idea in this space, that how does a creature of another planet look like, and color the picture. Now let us start reading. Okay, let me first tell you this story shortly. In this story, there is a little alien, and whose spaceship was crashed, and he was looking for help, and there was a galaxy guide in the spaceship. And how did the galaxy guide help him? Let us read and find out. What was that? Something just hit my ship. It must have been a meteor. From that meteor shower I accidentally flew through. I knew I should have paid more attention. Spaceship operations class. Oh no, there is smoke coming out of the back. The steering wheel is not working. I am going to crash. These are the words said by alien who was in his spaceship. According to him, something hit his spaceship, and he was thinking that is meteor. What is meteor? The stones that come from outer space are called meteors, and the spaceship of alien has hit a meteor. And now he was thinking that I should learn flying spaceship in spaceship classes, in driving classes of spaceship properly, then it would not happen. And after that, he saw a smoke coming out from the ship, and the steering of the ship was not working properly, and he thought that I am crashed. Yes, I have definitely crashed. I don't even know where I am. What am I going to do? Mom is going to be so angry. Now after some time, he get confident that he has met with a crash, and now he don't know any solution how to get rid of this problem, and he is also worried that his mother will going to be very angry with him. Wait, I do remember one thing from class. There is a galaxy guide in here somewhere. Here it is, how to fix your spaceship after a crash landing, it says. After a while, he remembered that in class, in his flying classes, the teacher told him there is a galaxy guide in every spaceship, and he start looking for that. And after some time, he find the guide, and the name of the guide is, the book that will help him is How to Fix Your Spaceship After a Crash Landing. When there is a crash landing of spaceship, how will you solve your problems? If you happen to be young alien, you crashed your spaceship accidentally, and you own this handy guide, you are in luck. Follow these 10 simple steps to get yourself soaring into spaceship again and out of trouble with mom. Now these are the words written in the spaceship guide, that if you met with an accident in space and you have the guide, then you are very lucky, and you just have to follow the steps given in the guide and get back to your mom. Now, what are 10 simple steps? First, the first step is to unbuckle my seat belt and check your injuries. First of all, open your seat belt. Unbuckle means open the seat belt and check the injuries. Means, do you get hurt? How much injuries you have got? If there are any injuries, please refer to the guide. How to fix your body after a crash landing, says the guide. Now these are the words written in the guide, that if you got any injury, then you must read the step how to fix your body after a crash. Means if you have any problem with your body after crash landing, you should read this step. I don't seem to be oozing, and I still have all 6 legs, 3 arms, 4 eyes and 2 antennae. View, I am fine. Now he start checking his body, that is there any injury in his body. Each and everything in his body is fine. Now he was very happy. All the 6 legs, 3 arms, 4 eyes and 2 antennae was very proper, and there is no injury in his body. Okay, the next step says, repeatedly press the start button with all your eyes closed. Close your eyes. This is the next step written in the guide. Close your eyes and start pressing the start button. Let's give it a try. And he start pressing the button. Drat, it's not working. I guess it is time to move on the step 3. He tried to start the spaceship. There is a word drat. Drat means the sound that a vehicle make when it was going to start. But it was not working and the spaceship didn't start. So the alien thought to move for the next step, the third step. Abandon ship and find a friendly living thing around you to give the ship a push while you repeat step 2. Now you have to leave the spaceship. In the third step it was written, leave the spaceship and need a help or a living friend who can push your ship, and you will also start the pushing the start button again, which is described in second step. Or you can ask a help from living thing to push your ship. Tip, you can tell a living thing is friendly if it is not shooting at you or trying to eat you, says the guide. Now how can you find out the living thing is friendly? Means if the living thing will not shoot you and if he will not try to eat you, then it means the living thing is your friend. This is the step. How can you find out the living thing is your friend or not? This guide is crazy. I can't go out there. I don't even know what sort of creatures live on this planet. What if they try to eat me? I think I will just skip this step. According to alien, the third step was crazy. It is not wisely said that because alien don't want to go out from the spaceship because he don't know about the creatures who lived on that planet, and he was very afraid that they will eat up. Okay, the next one says, use whatever kind of transportation your body is ready for. Walk, crawl, slither or hover around the outside of the ship to look for damage. Means in the next step it is described that you should leave the space and transport, means move around the spaceship to check the damage of the spaceship. You can use the method walking, crawling, slither or hover. Hover means flying at a very low height, and you can walk, you can crawl. Yeah, right, I am not getting out of this spaceship. I guess I can skip step 5 and 6 since they require going outside. The alien don't want to go out from the spaceship, then he decided to skip, means leave the steps which are given at number 5 and 6 in the spaceship guide. Step 7.